Hi, I'm Aishwarya Vannan. I run the business on Instagram called Aishwarya Vannen. I'm a graphic designer and I've been illustrating for 3 years now. So I started illustrating in 2015 during my time in RP. I was in user experience design. So they taught us the basics of using Photoshop and Illustrator. I used it a lot to design posters and for our web designing and stuff. But I took it further and I learned how to design and illustrate people and objects. So I used YouTube most of the time to find out what the tools are for on Illustrator. Then I realized at that point of time, 3 years ago, the market for illustrators was very low. So I decided to start the business there. And at first, it wasn't really doing very well because people were like, is this actually good stuff? And I finally did my first commission piece, which was for a friend, and he did it for his girlfriend. People started reposting it, and then a lot of people started DMing me, and that's when it slowly started to pick up. Used to draw a lot of series, like Netflix series, and movies, like characters. So I drew Aishwarya Rai from Devdas, and I made it into a meme. So this is the first one that I put up that actually got a lot of likes and a lot of shares, and that's when I realized people actually really like memes. So I started to do a series with this. So I did this one, and then there was another one of Aishwarya Rai, and then there was a few from a Tamil movie called Friends. Basically, it's a comedy movie, so there were a lot of lines that I changed to make it related to what we're going through during COVID-19. Recently, I did the same thing. So there's a movie called Gangubai. Basically, she's like a badass in the movie. So I thought of just putting this thing where she was smiling. So I just put, okay, shut up. So this is the most amount of likes that I've gotten recently. And then I did the Money Heist one, which took the longest time because there were so many characters. I did it because it was all the hype, and I actually thought that, okay, people will really like this, which was true. They actually really liked it. And then I put it on Pinterest, and a lot of people started pinning it and using it as their wallpapers. I think I have a few friends who still have the mask as their wallpaper in their phone. So obviously, now the market has become way big compared to when I started. There is a fear of what if I find somebody else's work nicer, but that is also a motivation to get your work done better or improve your stuff. I have a lot of people who DM me saying that their loved one passed away and they would really like to relive a moment with the person inside this image. And I've had a few people saying, I don't mind the cost or anything, I would just really like to relive this. That's one of the reasons why I do it, because I started doing illustrations of my loved ones, so I know what that feels like.